The winner of our dance competition is tonight at 11 p.m. at the CB on deck number 4. We're gonna have our Crazy Face Game Show with your crucially for the whole ticket team. For more details, please double check on your Royal app. Now, the winner of our Limbo competition is tonight. You cannot miss it. Our resolution body on deck number 4. And I wish you to be with your Royal body. So once again, for more details, please double check on your Royal app. And if you're ready for make some noise!
I'm just video.
Alright.
For her.
I don't want to be you so anymore.
I wanted to see that.
You know what? Papa is on the And the winner of this competition is guess what? Both of them are getting our prizes from ECG that is featuring this amazing body. But don't be yourself. Why? Because we won this competition, but who's gonna get the prize? It's gonna be all of you. Why? If you have 21 years and over, and if you're not allergic to our champagne, now just have a look down there. Just have a look down there. Because our girls. You're ready? You're ready? Ready? You're ready? Ready? You're ready? Our girls